Are you struggling to grow your YouTube channel because you don't know what equipment to use? In this video, I'm going to show you my YouTube equipment list for making videos. You'll discover the inexpensive equipment you can use to start making your own videos or upgrade your equipment as you can afford it. My name is Herman Drost from drostdesigns.com. If you want to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I publish a new video. Cameras. I've been using the iPhone 6s for shooting my regular videos. I use the Filmic Pro app, which gives me more manual controls for my iPhone camera. The webcam that I'm using to shoot this video is the 1080p ProStream webcam. I'll place a link to it in the description below this video. The beauty of this webcam is that you can set it up on a tripod by just screwing it into the tripod or just putting it on top of your computer. It has an autofocus, and if you download the software, you can adjust the white balance settings, brightness, and contrast. Tripods. For this video, I screwed the ProStream webcam onto the Gorillapod, which sits on top of a box. I often use the Gorillapod to steady my phone when I'm shooting outside. Click the link in the card to watch my review of the Gorillapod tripod. When I'm shooting my regular videos, I just mount my phone inside a ring light. It includes a mount for your camera or for your phone. I just screw this gripper into the mount to hold my phone. Microphones. I'm using the blue Snowball microphone for this video, which just sits on my desktop and plugs directly into my computer. When I'm shooting with my iPhone, I use the Rode SmartLav Plus microphone. It just clips on my shirt and I can plug it directly into the phone. Like so. Click the card icon to watch my review of the Rode SmartLav Plus microphone. If I'm recording video outside, I use a Video Mic Me microphone. It plugs directly into your phone like this. It also comes with a windshield, which you can just put over the microphone. This eliminates the wind noise when you're outside shooting with your phone. Backdrops. Previously I was using a blank wall for my live streams, but then I decided to upgrade my backdrop. The backdrop I'm using behind me is a brick wall tapestry, which is made of vinyl and is washable and easy to move. You can choose from a variety of wall hangings by just going to this website. I'll place a link to the company in the description below this video. If you're looking for alternative backdrops for your video, click the link in the card. Video editing software. I use ScreenFlow for the Mac to edit all my videos. You can do screen recordings and also you can record yourself. Other alternatives include Camtasia, Adobe Premiere, Sunny Vegas, and Final Cut. If you want free editing software, use Shotcut, OpenShot, KineMaster for mobile, iMovie for the Mac. What if you don't want to appear on camera? If you don't want to appear on camera, you can just record your computer screen. I typically use ScreenFlow when I want to record my computer screen. You can use free software like Screencast-O-Matic, the free Chrome extension, Loom. If you have a Mac, you can use iMovie, which comes pre-installed, or QuickTime Player. Graphics. For creating my computer graphics like my channel banner and my thumbnails, I use Canva, which is free graphics software. If I want to remove the background image, I use Pixelmator for the Mac. Computer. When I first started editing my videos, I used the MacBook Air. Currently I use an iMac computer with a 4 GHz Intel Core processor, 8 GB of memory, which I want to upgrade to 16 GB, and the graphics card is an AMD R9 M390. If you want to get a new computer for video editing, I highly recommend getting as much storage and as much memory as possible. This will save time by speeding up your video editing process. Backups. Have you ever lost a file or want to reuse it, or got a strike against your channel? If you don't back up your video files, you might really regret it if your computer crashes and you lose all your files. I usually store all my raw video files as well as published files on an external hard drive. I purchased a 4 TB external hard drive that backs up my computer using a time machine and also backs up all my raw video files as well as published video files. Another alternative is to use iCloud backups like iDrive, Google Drive, Carbonite, Backblaze, Mozy, or Dropbox. I typically use Dropbox to transfer files to my friends or to clients. I use the cloud-based service Amazon S3 to store my video files from online courses, images, reports, cheat sheets, and ebooks. It's super cheap and the service are very fast. Apps. The typical apps that I use for YouTube is the YouTube app and the YouTube Studio app. I sometimes use the YouTube app to go live from my phone. I use the YouTube Studio app to track the performance of my videos on YouTube. As mentioned before, I use the Filmic Pro app to shoot better videos with my phone. And I use the TubeBuddy app to do keyword research and to manage my channel. Livestream Software. The software that I typically use for live streams is Ecamm Live for the Mac. It's inexpensive, easy to use, and it automatically saves a file of your live stream on your computer. You can now also go live on YouTube without any software by just clicking the camera icon. You can also go live from your phone by using the YouTube app. Here are 3 important things to keep in mind. Number 1, use what you have and what you can afford. When you're first starting out on YouTube, just use the camera from your phone and the light from a window or shoot outdoors. If you use the microphone from your phone, make sure you're standing very close to it. Otherwise, use an external microphone like the SmartLav Plus microphone, which I talked about earlier. Number 2, have a dedicated space. It's easy to make videos when you have a dedicated location for recording your videos. You don't have to clean up your room, move the lights, cameras, and tripods. Number 3, content is most important. Even though this video is all about how to use the right equipment for shooting videos, content is most important. Most visitors are more interested in the content that you provide rather than the equipment that you're using. The equipment that you use helps reinforce the content that you're trying to convey and also helps viewers to consume your content. Now you know my YouTube equipment list for making videos. Let me ask you a question. What's the most important equipment you use for making your videos? Post your answer in the comments below. I'd love to read them, and I'm sure others would too. Download my free budget video gear guide below, and if you want to get notified every time I publish a new video, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.